Welcome back to Auto Gear Hub, the channel where past meets future, and legends rise again on modern roads. Today, we bring you something truly extraordinary, a story that blurs the line between classic heritage and futuristic performance. Get ready to experience the unbelievable transformation of a post-war workhorse into a modern-day performance monster. The 1948 Mitsubishi Fuso Fighter Reborn is a 2026 supercar. Imagine a time when Japan was rebuilding itself, and the roads were ruled by rugged trucks that symbolized strength and endurance. Among them was the Mitsubishi Fuso Fighter, a 1948 industrial masterpiece built for hard work and reliability. No one could have imagined that nearly 8 decades later, this same legend would return, not as a truck, but as a breathtaking supercar, re-engineered to dominate both history and highways. The 2026 Mitsubishi Fuso Fighter is more than a car, it's a piece of history reimagined for a new era. From the moment you see it, you know you're looking at something special. The exterior design pays tribute to the 1948 model's industrial DNA, bold, square proportions, and a stance that demands attention. But now, every curve and contour has been refined for aerodynamic perfection. Up front, the massive chrome grille from the original has been transformed into a sleek, illuminated panel that glows with Mitsubishi's futuristic identity. Sharp LED headlights replace the old round lamps, but they retain a vintage flair, a nod to the fighter's heritage. The hood stretches long and low, hiding an incredible powertrain that takes this build to a level the original engineers could only dream of. Moving along the sides, you notice sculpted fenders that blend aggression with grace. The lines are muscular but smooth, almost like molten metal frozen mid-motion. Massive 21-inch forged alloy wheels sit under flared arches, wrapped in performance tires that look ready for the track. At the back, the design is pure power, a raised tail with signature LED bars, dual exhaust ports shaped like jet turbines, and a subtle spoiler integrated into the bodywork. The car feels alive even when standing still, as if it's holding back pure energy. This is not just a redesign, it's a resurrection with soul. The 2026 Fuso Fighter brings the spirit of the old world into a future built for performance. Beneath the hood lies the heart of this beast, a twin-turbo V8 hybrid system producing an astonishing 720 horsepower. The hybrid setup ensures instant torque and relentless acceleration, propelling the car from 0 to 100 km per hour in just 2.9 seconds. Top speed, over 330 km per hour, making it one of the most powerful Restomod builds ever created. But what truly sets the Fuso Fighter apart is its personality. It doesn't rely on just raw power, it's engineered for balance. The chassis is crafted from lightweight carbon fiber and reinforced aluminum, reducing weight while increasing rigidity. Mitsubishi's advanced Super Control suspension system adapts in real time to road conditions, giving drivers a perfect blend of comfort and performance. Whether you're gliding through city streets or tearing down open highways, the handling feels precise, stable, and incredibly confident. The sound of the engine is another masterpiece. It roars like a thunderstorm yet hums smoothly when cruising. The hybrid system allows you to switch between full electric mode for silent urban driving or unleash the V8 for an earth-shaking growl that honors its truck heritage. It's a symphony of power, mechanical, electric, and emotional all at once. Step inside, and you're immediately transported into the future. The interior of the 2026 Fuso Fighter redefines luxury and technology while preserving a few hints of its vintage roots. The dashboard features a floating digital cockpit that merges seamlessly with the center console. The driver's display is fully customizable, showing everything from performance stats to real-time hybrid energy flow. The steering wheel is wrapped in hand-stitched leather with aluminum paddle shifters, giving it both modern precision and a classic touch. Every surface inside feels premium. Carbon fiber panels, brushed metal accents, and soft Nappa leather seats inspired by 1940s industrial design. The designers have managed to blend comfort and nostalgia perfectly. You can feel the craftsmanship that pays homage to the original Fuso's durability while showcasing the artistry of 21st century design. Ambient lighting floods the cabin in customizable colors, giving the interior a cinematic presence at night. The infotainment system runs on Mitsubishi's latest DriveSphere interface, featuring AI voice assistance, 3D navigation, and over-the-air updates. Connectivity is seamless, and the premium 18-speaker surround sound system from Bose delivers audio clarity that matches the car's power. Passenger space is surprisingly generous for a performance coupe. The seats offer both sport bolstering and full comfort adjustments with cooling and massage functions. Even the rear seats carry vintage stitching patterns inspired by the 1948 truck's seat design, a subtle tribute to its humble beginnings. Now, when it comes to price, exclusivity is the name of the game. The 2026 Mitsubishi Fuso Fighter supercar is expected to start at around $280,000 USD, depending on customization. However, because of its unique Restomod nature and limited production, only 50 units worldwide will be built, making it a true collector's dream. Each unit will be hand-assembled, carrying a numbered plaque that connects it directly to the 1948 legacy. What Mitsubishi has done here is nothing short of revolutionary. They've taken an industrial symbol and turned it into an icon of performance and art. It's a car that bridges eras, the hard-working spirit of post-war Japan fused with the futuristic ambition of 2026. For enthusiasts, it's not just transportation, it's storytelling through steel, power, and design. Driving the Fuso Fighter feels like controlling history recharged with energy. Every rev, every gear shift, every glance in the mirror reminds you of where it came from and how far it has evolved. It's proof that even machines can carry memories, and that with vision and innovation, legends never really die. As you park this masterpiece and the engine winds down, there's a strange moment of silence, a mix of pride and nostalgia. You realize this isn't just a car, it's a rebirth. The 1948 Mitsubishi Fuso Fighter, once a symbol of resilience, now stands as a symbol of evolution. And that's the magic of automotive design, the power to transform the past into something extraordinary for the future. So, if you're a fan of timeless machines reborn with modern fury, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more automotive transformations like this. This was the 1948 Mitsubishi Fuso Fighter reborn as a 2026 supercar, a true legend resurrected for a new generation. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next review, right here on Auto Gear Hub, where history drives the future. Oncoming car fire.